When salespeople exercise empathy during sales conversations, they automatically improve their ability to engage in other important skills, including trust building, asking questions, and collaborating on solutions. Let's take a look at why. Empathy builds trust. One of the foundations of trust is the feeling of being seen and heard. When salespeople exercise empathy, they may not have words for what they experience, but the psychological result is a sensation of well being and safety, which leads to greater trust. Empathy improves questioning. Asking great questions is a critical sales skill. Salespeople who exercise empathy more readily understand the customer and respond to their cues to ask the right question that get in deeper and reveal more information. Empathy helps define the problem. When salespeople understand and feel what other customer feels, they gain deeper insight into the emotional foundation of customer's problem. This enables them in turn to define and articulate the problem in terms that resonate with the customer. Empathy aids in defining the solution. With a clear and empathetic understanding of the problem, the salespeople is better equipped to develop a solution that addresses it effectively. Empathy maintains bonds. Over the time, relationship between salespeople and customer can erode, but if the salespeople exercise genuine empathy, they can feel when the customer is drifting away and can adjust their own response to help them reconnect and stay connected. Empathy helps to close the sale. A truly empathetic salesperson will usually find it easy to close sales. By exercising empathy, the salesperson gets an accurate gauge on the customer's emotional state and readiness for the close. This allows them to take each step toward the close at exactly the right time and in a manner that feels good to the customer. When salespeople understand and feel what the customer feels, they gain deeper insight into the emotional foundation of the customer's problem.